Want to save an important email to your computer? Let's walk through how to download an email in AOL.Mail. First, sign into your AOL.Mail account via a web browser. Find the email you want to download and open it. Now, click More located at the upper right corner. Tap on Print even if you don't want to print. In the Print dialog, choose Save as PDF instead of printing. And that's it. Do you prefer to download emails or save them to the cloud? Let me know in the comments. If the print option is missing, ensure your browser or app is updated. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.